The golden mantella, Mantella aurantiaca, is a small and strikingly colored amphibian species found in Madagascar. These frogs are renowned for their vibrant, orange-yellow coloration, which serves as a warning to potential predators that they are toxic. They are part of the Mantellidae family and are among the most iconic frog species native to the island. Despite their beauty and ecological importance, the golden mantella faces significant threats, making conservation efforts vital. Habitat and range. Golden mantellas are endemic to a small region in eastern Madagascar. They inhabit areas with high humidity, such as swampy forests and rainforests, often near the edge of marshes or ponds. These environments provide them with abundant moisture and food resources. The limited distribution of the golden mantella makes them highly susceptible to habitat loss and environmental changes. Physical description. Golden mantellas are small frogs, usually measuring between 20 to 26 mm in length. Their bright coloration ranges from golden yellow to deep orange. This coloration is an example of aposematism, which is a defense mechanism used to deter predators by signaling that the frog is toxic. The toxicity of the golden mantella comes from alkaloids in its skin, which it likely acquires from its diet of ants, mites, and other invertebrates. Diet and behavior. Golden mantellas primarily feed on small invertebrates, such as ants, termites, and tiny beetles. They are diurnal, meaning they are active during the day. Despite their toxicity, they are non-aggressive and rely on their vivid coloration and skin toxins for protection rather than physical combat. Reproduction. These frogs reproduce during the rainy season, usually from November to February. Males attract females by calling, and after mating, females lay eggs in moist terrestrial environments, such as under leaf litter or in crevices near water sources. Once the eggs hatch, the tadpoles are washed into nearby water bodies, where they complete their development. This life cycle depends heavily on consistent rainfall and intact habitats. Conservation status. The golden mantella is listed as critically endangered on the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, Red List. The main threats to its survival are habitat destruction, illegal pet trade, and climate change. Agricultural expansion, logging, and mining activities have led to significant loss of suitable habitats. Additionally, these frogs are targeted by the pet trade due to their vivid coloration, although international regulations now aim to control such practices. Conservation efforts. Several conservation initiatives have been implemented to protect the golden mantella. Protected areas and reserves, such as the Toro-Toro-Fatsi wetlands and the Andasibe region, play a crucial role in preserving their habitats. Captive breeding programs in zoos and research facilities around the world have been established to maintain genetic diversity and reduce the pressure on wild populations. Local community engagement and education are also critical. By promoting sustainable land use and raising awareness about the importance of these frogs in Madagascar's ecosystem, conservation organizations aim to reduce human impact on their habitats. Ecotourism is another tool being used to generate funds for conservation and encourage local communities to protect these iconic amphibians. Importance in the ecosystem. Golden mantellas play a vital role in maintaining ecological balance. As insectivores, they help control insect populations, including agricultural pests. Additionally, they serve as prey for other species, despite their toxicity, thereby contributing to the food chain. Their presence indicates a healthy environment, making them valuable bioindicators for assessing the health of ecosystems in Madagascar. Challenges and the future. Despite efforts, conserving the golden mantella remains challenging. The species' restricted distribution and reliance on specific habitats make it vulnerable to even minor environmental changes. Climate change poses an additional threat by altering precipitation patterns and increasing the frequency of droughts, which can disrupt breeding and reduce habitat suitability. Addressing these challenges requires a multifaceted approach. Strengthening habitat protection, enhancing enforcement of anti-poaching laws, and promoting habitat restoration are essential. International cooperation is also necessary, as global climate change and demand in the exotic pet trade require coordinated efforts. Conclusion. The golden mantella is a symbol of Madagascar's unique biodiversity and a reminder of the urgent need to protect our planet's most vulnerable species. Its vivid colors and ecological significance make it a treasure worth preserving. By continuing to invest in conservation programs, raising awareness, and fostering collaboration, we can ensure that this incredible species thrives for generations to come. Would you like more details, or shall I refine the text to make it fit a specific purpose?